Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a beautiful decoration for your garden using an old round chair. So using this we are going to make a beautiful mushroom. Let's start. I'm going to turn the chair and I think I need some white paint to paint all this wood part of the chair. Let's start. We need a second layer of white paint, but first we have to let it dry. And now we paint it again using white paint. And now we have to paint the top of the chair with red. But first we are going to put some polka dots on our mushroom. These are made of paper. And now we are going to paint all the top of the chair, but be careful not to paint the polka dots. Now we remove the polka dots and we paint the empty spaces with white paint. Hope you like my mushroom. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe Happy Day Slime and Craft channel. Have a happy day!